Look up at the night sky, and you'll see countless points of light, each one a star, a blazing ball of gas burning billions of miles away. But what are stars, really? How do they form, and which ones stand out in the vast cosmos? Today, we're taking a journey through the life of stars and exploring some of the most famous ones in the universe. Stars begin their lives in massive clouds of gas and dust called stellar nurseries. These clouds, often hundreds of light-years across, are the birthplaces of stars. Gravity pulls the gas and dust together, forming dense clumps. As these clumps grow, they heat up, eventually reaching temperatures so high that nuclear fusion ignites. And just like that, a star is born. Not all stars are the same. Their size determines their life cycle. Smaller stars, like our Sun, burn steadily for billions of years. But massive stars live fast and die young, ending their lives in spectacular supernova explosions. These explosions scatter elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron into space, which eventually form new stars, planets, and even life. In a way, we're all made of stardust. Let's start close to home with our very own star. The Sun. It's a yellow dwarf, about 4.6 billion years old, and it's the reason life exists on Earth. The Sun's energy comes from nuclear fusion in its core, where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium. But don't let its calm appearance fool you. The Sun's surface is a chaotic place, with solar flares and sunspots constantly erupting. Now, let's visit our nearest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri. Located just 4.24 light-years away, it's part of the Alpha Centauri star system. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf, much smaller and cooler than the Sun, but it's still fascinating. It has at least one planet, Proxima b, which orbits in the habitable zone. Could there be life there? We don't know yet, but it's an exciting possibility. Next up is Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation Orion. It's one of the largest stars we know, with a diameter about 1,000 times that of the Sun. Betelgeuse is nearing the end of its life, and when it goes, it will explode in a supernova so bright it'll be visible even during the day. Don't worry, though, it's about 640 light-years away, so we're safe. Now, let's talk about the brightest star in our night sky, Sirius, also known as the Dog Star. It's part of the constellation Canis Major and is actually a binary star system. Sirius A is the bright star we see, while Sirius B is a white dwarf, a dense remnant of a star that once burned brightly. Together, they're a stunning pair in the night sky. Ever heard of the North Star? That's Polaris, a star that's been guiding travelers for centuries. It's located almost directly above Earth's North Pole, making it a reliable marker for navigation. Polaris is a yellow supergiant, about 2,500 times brighter than the Sun, but its real claim to fame is its role as a celestial compass. Finally, let's meet the largest known star, UY Scuti. This red hypergiant is so massive that if it replaced our Sun, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. UY Scuti is a reminder of just how diverse and awe-inspiring the universe can be. Stars like this push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Stars are more than just distant points of light. They're the building blocks of the universe, the engines of creation, and the keepers of cosmic secrets. From our humble Sun to the colossal UY Scuti, each star tells a story of gravity, fusion, and the incredible forces that shape our universe. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the stars. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more cosmic adventures. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite star? Until next time, keep looking up in the sky.